Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you Shiba Inu coin holders or people interested in Shiba Inu coin. In this video, we're going to talk about a couple different things. We're going to talk about 66% of Shiba Inu coin holders that all share something in common. We're also going to talk about a majority, a 78% of Shiba Inu holders who also share something in common. And we're going to break down a big question. Is Shiba Inu still a good investment? And moreover, what kind of gains can we expect to see from Shiba Inu coin in this upcoming bull run? And these are going to be realistic price targets given where we've come from in 2021. This is not a hype channel, it is being realistic because where we came from in 2021, those gains were absolutely crazy. But we have to remember the market cap was a fraction of where it is now, even though we are in a bearish market compared to the top of 2021. But things have reversed, and we're going to talk about that as well. Take a look at the charts of Shiba Inu, what we're seeing right now. Prices have been kind of flatlining. Are we going to get a breakout or a breakdown on the charts? And we're going to give you some tools and some analysis on that as well. So, if you guys are ready for that, go ahead and smash that like button. Definitely helps us out. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. We are covering everything cryptocurrency here on the channel. Of course, you can just go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any content that we put out right here on the channel. Ring that notification bell too so you get notified as we move forward. So with that being said, let's dive right in here and talk about this number first. So right now, 66% of Shiba Inu holders are at a loss as the price fails to gain momentum. Price right now still sitting at this 9 range. Our last indicator was a momentum down flash here in the 1 day. We are watching this very closely to see what happens next. But this is said another way, 2/3 of Shiba Inu holders are right now at a loss on their investment. And if you didn't accumulate back in early 2021 or here when the prices, dipped way down in here to the sixes, if you don't hold a lot of your value here at the 6s and 7 level, then you are at a loss. I'm barely in a profit still. I did go ahead and take profits back in 2021. But when we got back down in here in October, you guys probably heard me on my channel that these are my levels to accumulate. We've had a lot of really strong bounce off of these 6 levels back in 2021, pretty much in the last 3 years. Here it is again back in June of last year. We bounced off this pretty nicely, as you guys can see here on screen. So we got down here. This was a really big opportunity, in my opinion, and we got the momentum up indicator that flashed. Okay, I've been using my tool here to get entry points into SHIB and other crypto projects, even stocks. You guys, of course, can gain access to that as well. We've got an unbelievable 20% discount going on right now. You can customize your own alerts. This is a trading indicator, again, flashing momentum up for you, momentum down, giving you the best entry points and exit points. So you start making more gains and better decisions in the cryptocurrency market. So from a price standpoint right now, we're kind of stuck in this 9 range. I'm just kind of watching right now to see what happens next. Do we get a break up or a breakdown? I would like to see, a little bit more validation here. We have consolidated a little bit here in the last 10 days or so, but the overall altcoin market has been pretty quiet here to date. And in the last year, we are down still 35%. We are hovering here still at a $5.33 billion market cap. But we do think that there will be some things that excite SHIB, right? And a lot of it hinges on the community itself, utilizing Shibarium, but also some new use cases with Shibarium that could be coming. We've talked about a couple projects, official partner, K9 Finance, bringing liquid staking. But we also need to see, I think, a big, big boost on the gaming side and metaverse. I really think that's going to bring in new investors. Now, if we take a look at this, right around 28% of SHIB investors are on the profitable side of this swing right now. About 6% are breaking even, neither gaining nor losing. and we've got about 66% right now losing or down on their investment. Now, here's another big number: 78% of the total holdings of SHIB are controlled by a group of whales or large investors, indicating a high level of wealth concentration. This is nothing really new, though. I mean, this shouldn't like scare you out of SHIB, considering you look at a lot of altcoins and this is very similar. However, we do like to track the whales, and we made a video recently talking about the whales have went away. They have come back a little bit slowly, which is good to see, but we want to see them come in droves, and we want to add new whales. So that's something we're always watching for. And SHIB right now, again, kind of trending and trading right sideways right now at that 9 range. Not much brewing. Now, we are going to talk about where we think SHIB could go in this upcoming bull run. And I want to pull up a website called the Coin Perspective. And if we take a look at SHIB on this chart, and we just kind of put in here our previous all-time high, okay, where we got to about a $52 billion market cap, we're about an 874% move away from there. One thing we're watching is this circulating supply and the overall supply. How much can we burn, right? How much of this supply can we deduct away here? Because then that changes everything, right? So right now we've got 59% of the total supply out there circulating, and it's going to be crucial to watch, okay, if we can slowly reduce this, obviously through Shibarium and some other means. We are watching for projects that come out that help burn SHIB as well, but that's going to be very, very crucial. I think getting back to the all-time high is something we need to aim for first, right? And then we can kind of see what happens next from there. Keep in mind, guys, that SHIB went on a parabolic run. So expecting SHIB to absolutely go to 1 cent is absolutely insane, because that would put SHIB at a $5.9 trillion market cap, right? Given the current supply. Now, if we start to burn trillions of tokens, obviously that changes everything. And this is why burning SHIB is so important, because it makes these crazy price targets somewhat feasible. You know, I've always said 0.001, a little bit more feasible, right? A $589 billion market cap, especially if we get burns, right? 0.0001 would be a 10x away from here, perfectly situated here to give us a new all-time high. I think this is a good target in the short term to kind of see if we can obviously get back to where we were and then get above it, break above it, and find price discovery. Then who knows what happens after this. But I'm not going to sit here and say that SHIB's going to 1 cent or even 0.001. It's just not going to happen, in my opinion. And I say that with love. I say that not with FUD, but with love. And I'm being realistic for you guys, because a lot of people will tell you that SHIB's going to go absolutely parabolic and it's going to go to 1 cent tomorrow. It's not going to happen, right? It's not going to happen. But we can see gains still. And I think, you know, anywhere from 5 to 10x from current price levels is probably pretty feasible. And I do think there still is upside because of the potential to burn tokens, and obviously the potential of just the community aspect growing, and use cases when it comes to the metaverse, as well as gaming, which I think are 2 big areas, and AI. I think there are 3 big areas there that if I were a part of the SHIB team, that I would really be focusing on and making sure I'm stressing ahead of this bull run. Because you look at gaming, metaverse, and AI, they're all emerging sectors in crypto, and they can really capitalize on this. They, meaning the SHIB dev team, with hiring good people, putting themselves in the best positions to do something big in all 3 of these areas. That's what I'll be watching for. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, let me know down below. Of course, you can get access to my trading indicator at xtalgo.com that we highlighted in this video. Also, if you need a VPN, you want to keep your crypto safe, you want to browse the internet safely, 4 free months using my NordVPN link down below. And if you want to trade over at Margex, which is a new exchange that I've partnered up with, they have unbelievable deals going on when you use my code. Leverage trading is part of their platform. No KYC. You can sign up in 2 minutes. Margex links are down below. SHIB Army, I appreciate you guys as always. Check out all my links and all my content. I've got multiple YouTube channels as well. I appreciate you guys so much. I really, really do. Without you, wouldn't be in this situation. wouldn't have been able to quit my 9 to 5 in 2021. So I'm very grateful to be here every single day for you. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.